Hi, everyone. Hey, my name is Senthil Kanagavel. I'm the line of business director for our ATROX die-attach brand of products, and we'll talk a little more about it today.
So, what is zero PFAS and why does that matter to the semiconductor packaging world?
Very good question. So, zero PFAS is basically not using any PFAS in the products. PFAS, as we all know, is basically fluorinated substances which have restrictions. And the whole electronics community as a whole is going to be tasked to get these components out of their materials. So this is really a matter of when and not if. So we know this is coming, and we at McDermott Alpha have basically invested in a cutting edge portfolio of PFAS free or zero PFAS materials to address this. So again, ATROX, our die attach products are all zero PFAS.
What is the ATROX product line and what role does it play in semiconductor packaging today?
Oh, ATROX is McDermott Alpha's brand of die attach products. So this product line is basically designed with zero PFAS. And zero PFAS obviously is a big initiative by the industry. So our product line is designed to be sustainable, offer cutting edge solutions in terms of die attach, in terms of reliability, thermal, electrical performance, and also to meet current and future needs of our customers.
Why has McDermott Alpha prioritized zero PFAS technologies in the ATROX product line for semiconductor assembly?
So the ATROX product line was something that was a strategic initiative that we took up a long time back. So we knew PFAS is coming. We intentionally at that time invested in developing a portfolio that is zero PFAS, meaning no PFAS used in the products. So that initiative is now paying a lot of dividends because we see customers coming to us asking for these solutions. And this is something that we anticipated to happen. So as the whole electronic supply chain gets cleaner, greener, ATROX with its portfolio of zero PFAS fits right in.
So, what are some of the key technical challenges of removing PFAS from die attached materials in semiconductor assembly, and how has ATROX overcome them?
Hmm, good question. So the PFAS materials that are used today in semiconductor materials do offer some benefits. The number one benefit it does is they're extremely thermally stable because these fluorinated substances tend to have better resistance to heat. They also offer control over like bleed and other surface tensions and other kind of surface related obstacles that the die attach space have to overcome. So our strategy in formulating a PFAS-free portfolio was always to look at unique chemistries that combine our knowledge and experience with silver-filled technologies that can enable that gap and bridge that. So that's really been our strategy to getting there.
In terms of performance, how do ATROX materials compare with legacy die attached PFAS containing formulations?
So we've done a lot of benchmarking. Obviously, we didn't take this initiative like yesterday. So the work that we did with benchmarking led us to believe that our unique chemistries and our PFAS-free technology is not only meeting but actually exceeding some of the legacy technology products out there. So by putting all this effort in and obviously coming up with innovative technologies and solutions to formulate a leading edge product portfolio, we've been able to get there. So for instance, CD560-1 is a high throughput, high reliability product. There's also the 800 series of materials that we have that offers really high thermal advantages, especially for newer technologies like GaN silicon carbide. So keeping new technologies in mind, along with our formulation and skills and expertise to bring the solution to the customer.
Are ATROX products compatible with standard semiconductor packaging processes, or do they require changes in production lines?
So ATROX products were always designed to be a drop-in replacement. We understand the semiconductor industry has got certain processes that have been used for generations, and going and changing it was not in our scope of developing these products and technologies. So we've always made sure that our products can fit it. In fact, some of these products are so versatile they can be used on multiple platforms that are used in production environments today. So one product can be used across multiple factories. So the customer has huge advantages with using the products. Again, I'll allude back to our technologies with the CD560-1, which is one of the newest generation products that's been compatible with multiple factories, multiple surfaces. and offers huge advantages in terms of throughput as well as reliability.
What types of semiconductor packages are best suited for ATROX materials?
The answer really is that all the typical packages that are assembled today by our customers and by semiconductor packaging makers, QFNs, SOs, TOs, you name it, that's used in high volume today. Our products again are high volume capable, PFAS-free solutions that can fit into any type of a package or solution today.
How does the ATROX product line contribute to semiconductor manufacturers' sustainability and ESG goals?
So the ATROX is a complete PFAS-free portfolio of products. And as I said before, this is going to be something that is not an option for customers tomorrow. Eventually, there's going to be legislations that's going to have to mandate a PFAS-free solution or a product from the customer. So our products obviously enable that. And our goal is not to get, like I said, just similar performing products, but higher performing for future generation devices with sustainability not to be a concern for as far as we can see into the future. So our whole formulation strategy for developing the portfolio was exactly that, and we believe we've achieved that with the big portfolio of products we have today.
Can you share any industry feedback or case studies on ATROX materials in the semiconductor industry?
We actually have quite a bit of feedback. We have customers in the automotive space as well as in the industrial space who come back to us today saying that they've seen performance improvements with our PFAS-free portfolio of products. So in one instance, we had a customer who said that they actually got 25% efficiency in terms of electrical and thermal performance if you compare it to their legacy solution they use today. There's other customers who've said that our products are actually offering higher throughputs than what their existing products are offering today. So we've seen a lot of inputs from customers that gives us the confidence that our portfolio of PFAS-free materials is really cutting edge and next generation.
What's next for innovation in the ATROX semiconductor die attach product family?
We actually are doing quite a bit of work. We are looking at obviously future technologies. There's a lot of push in the compound semi market with gallium nitride, silicon carbide technologies coming to the fore and being adopted mainstream. So our products are designed for that. So we're extending our portfolio of PFAS-free products to that, as well as looking at future requirements in terms of different formats. For instance, films, or if there's other formats that's going to offer better performance and better throughput options for customers. So zero PFAS and zero compromise on our performance and quality for next generation.